Welcome back students, and this is our book reading video number 2. In the previous video we learnt about the organ system and what is organ system, and then the first organ system is about digestive system, and digestive system is of 2, and the first one is digestive tract and the second one is digestive glands. Okay, let us see what is digestive tract. Digestive tract or alimentary canal. It is coiled muscular tube extending from the mouth to the anus. It is about 6 to 9 meter long and consists of many specialized divisions. Arranged sequentially, there are mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Okay children, as I said before itself, while we put the food inside our mouth, the first organ of digestive system is mouth, and then the food travel towards the buccal cavity, then pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and we excrete the waste through anus. Okay, and then see here in the picture, as we saw in the before introduction itself, I gave you the pictures, no ma, the each and every part of the digestive system. And see here, this is parotid gland and sublingual gland, submandibular gland, esophagus, spleen, pancreas, small intestine, rectum, anus, liver, gallbladder, duodenum, large intestine. Okay, these are the parts of digestive system. And next, come to this. Do you know? There are some organisms which live in the digestive system of animals. For example, tapeworm lives in the human intestine. Okay children, now listen this one. Inside ourself itself there are some living organisms. நம்ம உடம்புக்குள்ளேயே நம்மளுக்கே தெரியாம நிறைய organisms இருக்காங்க. So for example, குடல் புழு அப்படி சொல்லுவாங்க. tapeworm means குடல் புழு. நம்ம குடலுக்குள்ளேயுமே புழு இருக்குமாம். So that is called as tapeworm. It is inside our intestine. நம்மளோட intestineல இருக்கு. Come, let us go and read about the digestive glands. 3 important digestive glands associated with the process of digestion are salivary glands, pancreas and liver. And see children, the important digestive glands are the salivary glands, pancreas and the liver are the 3 important digestive glands. Okay, let us learn about the salivary glands. Salivary glands secrete saliva which moisten food. Saliva contains enzymes which break down complex starch into simple carbohydrate molecules. Yes, what is the function of salivary glands? It secretes saliva. அது என்ன பண்ணுது? Saliva means எச்சில் சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? So அதை சுரக்கிறதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறது யாரு? The salivary glands. It contains enzymes. அதில் இருக்க enzymes, what is the help of these enzymes? It will break down the complex starch. என்ன பண்ணுமா? நம்மளோ நல்ல மென்று அந்த ஸ்டார்ச் எல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுதா? It is converted into simple carbohydrate molecules. Okay, now let us see the function of pancreas. Pancreas produces pancreatic juice which contains digestive enzymes for the digesting fats, proteins and carbohydrates. So in pancreas, the pancreatic juice, some enzymes are there and they will work to break down the fats, proteins and carbohydrates. Then about the liver. Liver produces bile for the digestion of fat. Okay. The liver will produce the bile for the digestion of fat. Okay, it will have some enzymes which will convert the fat. Now children, come to the blue color box. Do you know the three pairs of salivary glands? The salivary glands, there are three. They are very, very important. Okay, and these three are the parotid. What is that? The parotid, sublingual and submandibular glands secrete approximately 1.5 liter of saliva every day. நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு நாளைக்கு எவ்வளோ எச்சில் ஊறுதான்? 1.5 liters, that is 1 liter 500 ml. Okay, 1.5 liter of saliva is being produced every day with the help of these three important glands. What are they? Parotid, sublingual and submandibular glands. Okay. Okay children, now take your pencil in your hand and underline the words I am telling. Okay. In that first paragraph, digestive tract, no. See there. Now underline the buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Underline these words. Okay, and then come to this next point. Underline tapeworm in this box. Okay, tapeworm lives in human intestine. Underline the line. Okay, underline this line. Tapeworm lives in the human intestine. I'll ask the question, what lives in the human intestine? And you have to answer as tapeworm lives in the human intestine. Okay, and then underline the salivary glands, pancreas and liver. Okay, and then come to this blue box, that three pair of salivary glands. Okay, parotid, sublingual and then submandibular. Okay, underline these words and these will be the homeworks for you. I'll just write and send it to you and I will just split and save how to read these difficult words. Okay, thank you children.